Here's a new 2020 Chrysler Pacifica. It's fun to drive with plenty of room, plenty of style, and plenty of features designed to make your life easier, all wrapped in a stylish package. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features. Power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, streaming audio, rear parking sensors, external memory control, remote engine start, heated steering wheel, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and V6 engine. Since 1925, Chrysler has done more than just make vehicles. It's made history. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.